I started my watch journey not too long ago, so I'm still learning a lot. I probably have about 16 or so watches at this stage. I've definitely explored and I've tried different things, automatics, quartz, some that I can read, ones that I can't read. I guess I've reached the next milestone of my life where I've been turning 29, which happened just recently. So I made like a little mission of mine to look online. Honestly, I found the searching for the watch probably the most enjoyable part. Searching for different types, different sizes, different brands. My phone within one day of looking just became bombarded with advertisements of watches. What got me into looking for an expensive watch was the Christopher Ward Belcanto. So it's like a chime watch. And I was like, that's so weird and different. Has like a little bird on it. I was like, that sounds really cool. But then I think La woke me up to like, how many times will it chime before you want to shut it off to get some sleep? But I kept seeing a particular watch and I was looking at reviews of it and I was like, this is a gorgeous watch. And one of our videos, there was a commenter that actually mentioned the exact watch that I was looking at the day before. I was like, that guy is so interesting that I was looking at this watch and I'm being in love with this watch, and then same time someone comments on this video saying how good this watch is. Yeah, let's get to the unboxing, I think.
Shout out to Adam McGregor. He was able to look after you by sending this express up to yourself, including a few gifts and a discount.
Honestly, yeah. Adam, thank you so much. So grateful for this. The shop it came from was Watches of Switzerland, and the big brand reveal. If anyone knows this logo,
cool cat,
yeah, it's really cool. For people who don't know this brand, it is Tudor.
Imagine the potential of combining craft and tech, of working hand in hand, shaping the future of watch manufacturing. This is what we do. Tudor, born to dare.
Some extra stuff, a really cool Tudor pen. Yeah,
Tudor
very
pen.
Lucky.
I don't even have a Tudor pen. Oh, you have a beautiful cloth for you to handle and clean your watches.
Oh wow!
Okay, so this could be a watch box.
Yes,
sort of like a travel pouch.
That is so cool. Wow, it feels really nice as well.
Look how many gifts you got from Adam.
Adam, you're a legend. So from Tofina to Tudor Black Bay 36. In life, every move counts. In the game of chess, a single decision can change everything. But when it comes to style, there's one move that always wins. The Tudor Black Bay 36. Elegant, timeless, sophisticated. No matter the occasion, no matter the outfit. It's not about what others see, it's about what you can show. Tudor Black Bay 36, your move. I was pretty set that I was going to buy this, especially with La letting me know about the discount and that you can hook me up. So I was like, sweet, but let's maybe just see it in person. There's a Watches of Switzerland really close by. And then they showed me this one and I loved it, but not only is it wasn't mine, but it also had plastic on it. Okay. And it's hard to fully absorb it when you got the plastic on the top, plastic on the bottom. But straight away, the way the light's hitting this is like absolutely gorgeous. So I went with the Anthracite Dial. It's almost like a charcoal, like a coal sort of color. So apparently the way that the different light hits it, it will actually look a bit different. It might look a bit more black. It might look almost like heading to almost more of a brown or like a gray. It's also gold gilded, and it has a beautiful Jubilee bracelet with a T-clasp. So the T-clasp allows you to adjust it a little bit more, so you don't have to remove links all the time and all that stuff. Wow, I'm honestly taken back by this. When I was looking at the Tudor Black Bay, I realized that there was a heritage version and then the newer version, which is this one. And I wasn't sure which one I preferred from the heritage one or the new one. The heritage one, it's black and white. And I was like, oh, I do like the strikingness of the black and white. Sort of gave me a vibe of a Rolex Explorer. But I feel like this gilded not only dresses it up a bit more, but it's a bit more unique.
Knowing you, who appreciate some bling bling in your watches, right? I think this is the perfect balance.
100%.
The blinginess of the gilded markers, gold gilded markers, a beautiful 36mm, which is for me an all occasion size. Jubilee bracelet makes it very fancy and dressy. This smooth bezel gives it a little bit of a casual feel.
Right.
So this thing will be an absolute strap monster.
Yeah.
A do-it-all
100%.
watch, right?
And we'll get to straps later.
Yeah. To be honest, the most striking of that watch is the size.
100%.
Is the size. You can't, it's just such a sweet spot.
Like I remember you saying, La, with your other 36s, it will go under a cuff really nicely.
You've always been a bit blingy with your watches.
Yes.
That's a Tufino one, right? You're wearing
Yes.
there. I mean, don't worry about the watch itself, but that's the sort of design aesthetics that you was hoping for.
Yeah.
But just funny you holding that next to the Tufino, which you spent hard-earned money on and overpaid for. But that's also, it's quite indicative of the journey you have been on.
I never used to wear watches. So when I was like, if I'm gonna wear a watch and gonna tell the time, I want it to be like crazy. I want it to have something freaky happening, going on, some chiming, some sounds.
Freaky.
Yeah, that's why I got the pimp watch. I got all sorts of watches. So crazy as it is, if I saw this watch, I'd be like, okay, it's a watch. Like, so what? But as I've grown to appreciate watches, this watch is absolutely slick, gorgeous. It's going to work with a lot of outfits I wear. I forgot the movement of the one before. If it was a Solita.
ETA movement.
I think so, yeah. But this is its own in-house Tudor movement.
Right.
Yeah.
Their own movement, right.
So I think that's also a really cool thing about it. It's Tudor, start to finish, which is really cool.
So Daniel, what is your overall feeling now you have the watch in your hand, on your wrist?
I'm in love with it. Now I just can't wait to see how it looks with different outfits, how I'm going to develop wearing it and my feelings towards it. And then also that comes back to straps. I'm going to be buying heaps of different straps. I've already bought some. And yeah, I'm going to be customizing. Yeah.
Well, this is your review, the first unboxing, and you will come back and have, after a couple of weeks or a month, do a month on the wrist or 2 weeks on the wrist review, a follow-up review. And this time you can really share what you think about it.
100%.
But, congratulations.
Well, cheers. Thanks, guys. And yeah, like and subscribe.